तो बारिश का सीजन स्टार्ट हो गया है और ट्रैकिंग करना किसे नहीं पसंद। तो मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ टॉप 5 ट्रैकिंग और हाइकिंग बैग्स अंडर ₹1000। तो आइए देखते हैं टॉप 5 ट्रैकिंग बैग्स। ऑन नंबर 5 we have fast fashion. It is a 60-liter rucksack travel bag. It is used for trekking and hiking and it has a shoe compartment as well. You'll get this for ₹749 only. On number 4 is Addict. This is an adventurous, stylish hiking and trekking bag. You'll get this bag for ₹1000 and it is available in every color. It has 65 liters bag. This bag has a lot of space and it is water resistant. On number 3 is Dawn and this is for trekking, camping, hiking and for outdoor sports. It comes with rain covers and shoe compartment. It is a 65-liter rucksack bag. It comes for ₹993 only and it comes in blue, red and grey color. On number 2 is Gear Alpha Mount. It is a 45-liter traveling rucksack bag. It has a great design and it is water resistant as well. You'll get this for ₹878. And last but not the least is Oxter trekking bag. It is a 65-liter traveling bag for trekking and hiking and it is water resistant and has shoe compartment as well. You'll get this for ₹889 only. For more such videos, follow DC9.